Let's do some math by making some muffins. All right, today the boys and I are going to make some chocolate chip banana muffins. So these are all the ingredients we need, as well as natural peanut butter. And I'm also going to add some chia seeds and some flaxseed meal into the mix as well. Let's start by calculating our ingredients, starting off with 3 large ripe bananas. We will also need a half a cup of all-natural peanut butter, 2 large eggs, and in our case, freshly laid this morning in our own coop. This recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of honey, but we used maple syrup instead. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and our favorite, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now that we have all of our ingredients together, let's start baking. Next up, we are greasing up our muffin tins. So we like to use a little baggie, take a little bit of butter, and rub it around the inside of each muffin tin. So that's what the boys are doing first. While this is happening, we are going to preheat our oven to 425, I believe.
And banana.
First, we smush the bananas. Smush bananas, smush, smush bananas, smush bananas, smush, smush bananas. Peanut butter. All right, there we go. That's our peanut butter. Can I see this for a second? We're only supposed to put in half a cup of peanut butter, and luckily we caught it in time because I accidentally put the peanut butter in our 1 cup scoop instead of our half a cup scoop, but only half a cup actually got in there, so we are safe. Mackenzie, get off the counter. Okay, thanks. Next we have it says to use honey, but we don't have any honey, so we are going to do 4 tablespoons of maple syrup.
I'm gonna do it.
Or syrup d'érable.
Sorry
about my very poor French. Maple syrup. In there, what did we add?
Egg.
How many did we add?
2.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Smell like?
Chocolate.
I think
gross.
it's vanilla extract. Whoops, that was the end of our bottle. Anyway, so it was 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Did you ask me?
I asked you, are we gonna pour this stuff into here?
Yes, can you do that for me now? That's the oats. What we did is we took 1 1/4 cup of oats, and we're gonna blend them because we don't have oat flour. So we're gonna make our own. We're adding our oat flour. Perfect. This is the best family ever. Oh, you're awesome. Okay, Dorian, go ahead, put it in the bowl. Tap it all out. Did you get it all out of there? Let's see, like this. Tap, tap, tap. There we go. And that's our 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now we need our half a teaspoon of salt, so make it level. Can I show you? Let's see if I can do that. Ready?
In the bowl.
Or you can use a butter knife. Okay, now put that inside our mix. Perfect. Thank you so much. Fill up that cup. That's 1 cup of chocolate chips. Fill it up, fill it up.
Keep going.
Keep going. What are you eating?
Target chip.
Chocolate chips. Now what do we have to do?
I don't know.
You don't know. We have to mix it. You want to start? Mix, mix, mix.
Mom, how is this? Like poop.
That's silly.
This is poop.
No. Our batter smells so good that is all that was required for the actual recipe that we're doing. But I'm gonna add some flax meal as well as some chia seeds. Woo! I don't want to get off there. Chia seeds, just for a little added superfood to add into there. If that makes any sense. I guess I'm just kind of gonna wing it by what it looks like. So flax. Woohoo! Fiber. Now we gotta clean up. It's the cleanup crew. Excellent job. Our batter is mixed, and now it's time to put that into our muffin tins. Okay, our muffin tin is filled. A little bit messier than I had anticipated, but that's okay. And we only needed the one muffin tray. We didn't need both of them.
Out the window.
We can barely contain our excitement, but now it's time to get them into the oven. Okay, we're gonna put our muffins into the oven, which means, and this is a tip for you guys at home too, why are you not even paying attention? Stay away from the hot oven. As your parents or guardians, put your muffins into, or anything else for that matter, into your oven. Woo, it's hot. So right now the oven is at 425 degrees. That's what that number looks like. 425 degrees for 5 minutes only. Start. So 5 minutes at 425 degrees. Our 5 minutes is up, but now we have to change our temperature to 350. So 350 is 350 degrees for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes. Start. So now we have 15 more minutes left to wait until our muffins are done. And look, they're already rising. Sorry, you can't see very well through my window. Time to clean the oven. Muffins are ready! Wow! Once your muffins are ready, you can take them out to cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes. After nap time, the boys will taste these muffins and see how they turned out. First bite. What do you think, Dorian?
Good.
Good. Thumbs up?
I can do that.
So what do you think? Well, the votes are in and our muffins are a success. What kind of baking have you done at home? We would love if you would share your recipes with us.